See, I faced a lot of challenges, and each challenge, it strengthened me to be the person I am today. See, I choose a sport called powerlifting, and it's a male-dominating sport. Hello? Yeah. So when I wanted to take up the sport, nobody encouraged me. They said I cannot do it because I'm a married woman with kids, and it needs a lot of hard training. But I was determined that I wanted to do it because I felt very insulted when they told me this. I felt, in what way a woman is not capable of doing any sport? With that confidence and determination, I said, I am going to do the sport and enter this male-dominating sport. See, my journey, like I said, I faced a lot of challenges. I used to practice 3 to 4 hours a day, every day. My diet also was totally modified. And after 4 years of dedicated practice and hard work, I started winning medals. I'm 4 times national gold medalist. I have 5 national records in my name. And after winning national, I was selected to represent my country at Asian Powerlifting Championship, which was held in Hong Kong. And I won gold. And I even won Best Lifter award on an Asian platform. And this is the first time Tamil Nadu is getting this award. And after Asian Championship, I represented India at Commonwealth Powerlifting Championship at Canada, and I won 5 gold medals. I want to share one incident which happened to me last year, May 2022. I was getting ready for an Asian Championship. I'm already an Asian gold medalist, but I wanted to create a record in an Asian platform because I'm a national record holder. So 20 days before the Asian Championship, I was pushing myself too hard. The rod slipped, it fell on my right hand, and it fractured my right arm. My hand broke into 2, and my hand was hanging down. I was rushed to Sims Hospital, and an emergency surgery was done. Everybody told me my powerlifting career is over. I cannot lift after this. But I was determined that I wanted to come back. And after 20 days after surgery, I started my physio. And within 4 months, I started lifting again. I started with light weights and then went to lift heavy weights. And December on 25th, on Christmas Eve, there was a championship held in Chennai. I took part and I won gold. This is just to say that all those who told me that it was impossible, that anything is possible, only if you have a strong willpower and determination and never to give up attitude. Like I always believe, women can do whatever men can do and can do it even better. Thank you.
Thank you. So can we have a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? The journey has truly been incredible, and with a journey she proved.
இவங்க எல்லாரும் ஒரு பெரிய அச்சீவர்ஸ். இவங்களுக்கு முன்னாடி எனக்கு ஒரு அவார்ட் கிடைக்கிறது அப்படின்றது எனக்கு ரொம்ப 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 சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. பிகாஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி நம்ம ஒர்க் பண்ணுற எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஸ்பீக்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ நான் வந்து என்னோட எக்ஸ் கொலீக் இங்கே இருக்காங்க, டோஷிலா. ஸோ நாங்களாம் ஒன்றா தான் ரேடியோ ஜாக்கியாக ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணோம். ஐ ஸ்டார்டட் வென் ஐ வாஸ் 17 and now I'm 37. ஸோ ஐம் லைக் ஸோ ஹாப்பி. இத்தனை வருஷம் என்னால் ஒரு மீடியா இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் ஒன்று நம்ம போகும்போது அதுக்கான சப்போர்ட் இல்லைன்னா கண்டிப்பாக போக முடியாது. மோர் தென் எனிதிங், ஒரு பெண்ணாக கான்ஃபிடென்ட் ரொம்ப 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 முக்கியம். அந்த கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் போக முடியும். இங்கே இருக்கிற எல்லா பெண்களுமே வந்து நம்மளுக்கு எப்போவுமே வந்து ஆண் துணை தேவை இல்லை அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிற ஒரு ஆள் நான். பட் கண்டிப்பாக இங்கே இப்போ எனக்கு முன்னாடி ஒருத்தங்க அவர் இல்லைன்னா அவங்க இல்லை அப்படின்ற மாதிரி சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க. ஆண்களும் தேவை. ஆனால் ஒரு விடாமுயற்சி விஸ்வரூப வெற்றிக்கு வந்து நம்மளோட கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். நோ மேட்டர் வாட், நம்ம எந்த இடத்துலேருந்து வந்திருக்கோன்றது முக்கியமே கிடையாது. ஏன்னா நான் ரொம்ப நார்மல் ஃபேமிலிலேருந்து வந்த ஒரு பர்சன். ஸோ என்னோடய ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்குக்கு முக்கியமான ரீசன் என்னென்னா, எவ்ரிடே ஐ கீப் மை செல்ஃப் டெல்லிங் லைக் ரைஸ் அவேக், நாட் ஸ்டாப் டில் தி கோல் இஸ் ரீச்ட். ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு நாளைக்கும் நீங்கள் கடைப்பிடிக்க வேண்டிய ஒரு விஷயத்தை உங்களுக்கு முதல்ல கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டாக தெரிஞ்சாலே யூ கேன் பி சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல். அதனால் எனக்கு ஒரு இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன் என்ன அப்படின்னா, என்னோடய ஹார்ட் ஒர்க். நான் பார்த்த எல்லா மனிதர்களுமே வந்து அவங்கள நான் இன்ஸ்பயர் பண்ணுவேன், அட்மையர் பண்ணுவேன். ஐ நெவர் ஜட்ஜ் எனி ஒன். அண்ட் முக்கியமாக இப்போ என்னோடய டாட்டர் வந்து 12th படிக்கும்போது அவளுக்கு நான் இன்ஸ்பிரேஷனாக இருக்கணும்னு நினச்சி தான் நான் என்னோடய ஒரு ஸ்டெப்புமே வந்து இப்போது எடுத்துகிட்ருக்கிற ஒரு ஸ்டெப்புமே. ஸோ இந்த வருஷம் எனக்கு கிடச்சிருக்கிற ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய அவார்டாக இதை நான் வந்து கன்சிடர் பண்ணுறேன். பிகாஸ் I'm so happy and thankful to Pakwan and also Vinu sir for inviting me. And thank you once again. And my hearty wishes and congratulations to every beautiful ladies and also handsome gentlemen here. Thank you.
I'm actually very happy for this VJ of the year, and I'm always grateful because I think 2 years back நம்ம டான்ஸ் ஸ்டுடியோக்கு வந்து ரெக்கக்னைஸ் பண்ணி அவார்ட் கொடுத்துருந்தாங்க கிகிஸ் டான்ஸ் ஸ்டுடியோ. பட் தட் டைம் ஐ குடன்ட் மேக் இட். எங்கள் அம்மா தான் வந்து வாங்கினாங்க. என்னை விட எங்கள் அம்மா ரொம்ப ஹாப்பி. அவங்க ஹாப்பினஸை பார்த்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஹாப்பி. அதுதானே வேணும் எண்ட் ஆஃப் த டே.
மேம் கேன் வி ஹேவ் யூ ஆன் தி ஸ்டேஜ் ப்ளீஸ்? மேம் காகி ஒரு பலமான கை தட்டல் கொடுத்து மேம் மேம் ப்ளீஸ் ஜாயின் us on the stage. ஒரு பலமான கை தட்டல் கொடுத்தலாம். Yes, behind her achievement also we say there's a man, but there is a beautiful mom. There is no relationship greater than mom to cherish in life.
Yes,
Everybody,
exactly.
can you all put our hands together for this wonderful woman out there, the wonderful mother here.
யா ஜெயந்தி மாஸ்டர் அப்படின்னாலே எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும். ஸோ லாஸ்ட் டைம் கிகிஸ் டான்ஸ் ஸ்டுடியோக்கு வாங்கினேன். இவங்க வந்து வாங்கினாங்க. இவங்க தான் ஆப்டான பர்சன் வாங்குறதுக்கு. ஏன்னா ஷீஸ் பீன் ரன்னிங் த டான்ஸ் கிளாஸ் ஃபார் பாஸ்ட் 30 years. ஸோ அதனால் த கிரெடிட் கோஸ் டு ஹர். அண்ட் நவ் விஜே ஆஃப் தி இயர் ஐ திங்க் இது எனக்கு யாருக்கும் விட்டு கொடுக்க மாட்டேன். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் த ரெக்கக்னிஷன்.
Thank you.
Thank
It's
you.
pleasure
Thank
is
you.
all ours. Thank you for taking your time out and being here. From your busy schedule, you're here, and we are really thankful that you're here. Thank you so much,
Thank
Kiki.
you.
Thank you, ma'am, for being here with us. Ma'am, you one ramp walk together. Both of you one ramp together. Why not? Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now
It's really an honor to be on this dais, and a real pleasure and exciting moment to see Shanti Chechi winning this Lifetime Achievement Award, because I have worked with her for a couple of projects, and as she told, it's simply not easy to survive in this field for such many long years. It is happiness and struggle combined, and it's a real example of how to success in a very difficult industry. So it's a privilege and honor to be here along with Shanti Chechi. My congratulations to Shanti Chechi on winning this award. And you were asking the question why she is so fresh. I think she is a highly religious and spiritual person. So I think I would like to add that.
yes, absolutely. We always want God's blessings wherever we are, definitely, right?
And being here, I would like to congratulate all the women achievers here who are here to receive this prestigious award. And I am really honored because not just as an actor, I am here as a classical dancer also. I started when I was 4, and now for the past 13 years, I am running an institution as Kala Sindhu School of Bharatanatyam, where I also teach Bharatanatyam and I'm also performing. So it's a journey to balance my passion and my profession. My friend Arvind is here, and his loving family over here. Priya is a good friend. We have also worked together. It's so nice to see these familiar faces in person after a long time, because I'm sort of in a sabbatical, focusing more on dance for now. Thank you each and everyone, and thank you Pakwan Chennai for honoring me, and along with me all my women friends, just a little ahead of this Women's Day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
2 years ago, I came here as a guest, and today I'm receiving the award. So it feels really, really happy. And to be amongst all the wonderful women here sitting here, I feel really proud to receive this award. Thank you so much, Venu sir, for supporting me. And Pakwan Chennai, you're doing great. Thank you so much.
உமனுக்காக உமனை செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணுற ஒரு மேடையில் ஒரு மேனாக மைக்கை கேட்டு தான் பேச வேண்டியதாக இருக்குது. When she first said that behind every successful man is a woman, but behind every beautiful woman, there's a man always. So I guess that's the reason we all men are also out here. And women, நான் என் காலேஜில் படிக்கும்போது ஃபெமினிசம்னு ஒரு பேப்பர் வச்சுருந்தேன், which incidentally I also topped, though I was the only boy in class and there were 59 girls. So feminism, we always talk about egalitarianism, equality, women's rights, empowerment allame. But I feel, women need not fight for equality ever, because women are there and men are here. Dayavu seidhu equality nu keela irangi varave vanal, we'll reach up to you. And manamartha vaalthukal to Pakwan for the 6th edition, and also for the amazing food that they offer, and for their consistency, not just in their cuisine, but the fact that they recognize such gems of women around in society through different fields and faculties, and keep the taram of this entire award ceremony very realistic, very dignified. Manamartha Valthikal to all the winners here. Thanks for having me up here. And he's hearty congratulations to him and Manamartha Valthikal. Since the time that the award started, he's been standing there. That shows how much men respect all the women who come up here.
Absolutely.
And you're doing a wonderful job as well, ma'am.
We never deny the fact, there's always together. It's always both the ways.
Absolutely.
The success is always together. It's just that we want more and more women to come forward and achieve a lot in life.
I came in here last time as a guest as well, but I'm very sure that I can never win an award on this platform. And even if I try
She was a
coming
guest
clean
last
shaven,
time, and you never know, you never know. You can be also
we
known.
never know. We never know.
Yeah. Every day, always.
Thank you so much.
It's truly an honor to be getting this award amongst so many beautiful women who've achieved so much. I think I have a long way to go to come up to their levels of achievement. But thank you, Vinu sir. Thank you, Pakwan. You all are doing a great job in recognizing women like us and encouraging us to do so much more better. So thank you so much. Truly dedicate this award to my mother. She's standing there recording me. She's taken a lot of effort on me, on my skin, my hair, from my young age. So thank you so much.
Her journey has been really, really tough and really incredible. So we've kept her for the finale just because of this. And you truly deserve this. Congratulations once again.
Thank you for giving me this award, and it's truly an honor. The journey wasn't that easy for me. It took hardly like 2 to 3 years to reach this spot, and this is very special because I started my journey with her, and I'm receiving the award with her. So this is very special, and thank you for recognizing me. It's truly an honor. And thank you so much, Safi, who always encouraged models like me, who come from a very small town. And it's really matters a lot for many young girls out there. Thank you.